my channel Skills from Scratch. If you are starting your journey in Excel, then this video is for you. So today I'm going to teach you the 3 basic concepts in Excel, which is data types, basic formatting, and also basic formulas, which mostly used by data analyst in day-to-day life. So first, let's get into the data types in Excel. So data type means it refers a kind of value which is stored in the cell, which means, let me show you in the sheet. So we have number of cells here. So whatever you're going to write in these cells, it might be in the form of numbers, text, percentage, or formula. It is called as data type. So data types are again divided into 8. So it might be in the text format, number, date and time, currency, percentage, logical, error, formula. So these are the data types. Next, the basic formatting in Excel. So by using this, we can change the color of the colors, background colors, font size and font style, and also add borders, align the text, merge the text. So now we have the basic data over here, the customer purchase data. So we can't go ahead and we can't present in this way to the client. So formatting makes your data look clean and professional. So we'll just add few basic formatting to this table. So let me select the table first. Selected. So I'm just adding the borders to the table, which means I'm just adding the table. And also I'm going to align the text here. So you have an align option here. So you can align the text to the center. Just click once again. Yes, it has been aligned to the center. Now we have headings here like order ID, date, product category, quantity, price, and total. So I'm just going to highlight this by making it bold, and also by just increasing the font size, and also by adding the background color so that it will look clean. Make sure that you always choose the light colors. So this is how the table turned out. This is a basic formatting. So if you just want to highlight the text also, you can just go ahead here and click on that. It will be getting highlighted, whichever the color you want. So just a simple logic. Good formatting is equals to easy understanding. So if you present the data in a clean and a neat way, it will look good. Now the next one is basic formulas. So, and also before that, I have a task for you. You can just take a screenshot of this. Make sure that you create this table in your Excel and perform this task by making the header bold, and by adding the borders, centering the text, changing the header color. So just perform this few tasks. And also after performing this, so create the table and let me know the cell address of 98. So where exactly the cell address is there? Is it in the B15, B14, in this way? Already I have explained you regarding the cell address, so please go through it. Now the next topic is basic formulas, which is mostly used by the data analyst in day-to-day life. So the first one is sum, which is used to add the values. So if you want to add any value, you can just use this sum formula. And the next one is average. If you want to calculate the average of the values, then use this average formula. Maximum. If you want to find the highest value, then use this maximum formula. Minimum. If you want to find the lowest value, then use this minimum formula. Count. If you just want to count only the numbers, then use this count formula. But if you want to count overall the values, then use count A, but it won't count the empty cells. That's it. So these are the simple syntax here. So let's get into the real-time example. Here we have a sales data. We have the sales name and also the sales amount. So we just have to find the total, average, maximum, minimum, count, and count A. So first of all, we will find the total by using sum formula. So just write equals to. Make sure you always start your formulas with equals to, or else the formula won't work. Now I'm going to write the formula here. Sum, open brace, just select all the values and close brace. So here is the sum. Now I'm going to find the average. Equals to. So again, just select the entire amount here. That's it. So here is the average value. Now I just wanted to find the highest sale amount. So we just have to use maximum, which is max. So in this, the highest value is, we can see it manually, like we have the highest value as 25. So now let's check what answer it will give. See, here is the 25,000, the maximum sale amount, and we'll just find out the minimum sale amount. So the minimum sale amount over here is, it's 15,000 it seems. So let's check it out what exactly the answer is. Yes, it's 15,000. Now we will just check count, which means it will only count the numbers. It won't count this salesperson names and everything. It will just give you the result as this. It will count the numbers. So mostly you will be getting the result as, you will getting the result as 8. So just select here and till here. Yes, it's 8 because it only counted the only counted the number values. If suppose if you are going to select all, but still it will give you the same 8 as an answer. See, if I am going to select entire table, but still it will give you 8 because it is only counting the numbers value. But if you want to count the entire values, then let's use count A. So I'm going to select this entire table now. So let's check out. See, because it is also counting alphabets also, the words. So this is the difference between the count and count A. Here I have one more task for you, so you can just take a screenshot, create this table in your Excel sheet, and please calculate this value and perform this task. Yeah, so this was a quick guide on Excel basics. If you found this helpful, please do subscribe to my channel and follow me for more simple Excel tips and start your data journey today itself. See you in the next video. Bye.